Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about another exercise you could do instead of sit-ups. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. There are two reasons why you should not do sit-ups. One is they are very hard on the discs in your low back, and two, they are not very functional. So today we're going to learn how to do a ball walkout. I love exercising on exercise balls. I think they're fun, lots of people have them, and they also add a little bit of instability to the exercise, which makes us work on our coordination and our control, which is important. I'm going to show you a walkout today. To start, it's important that you get a ball that is the right size for you. When you sit on the ball, your hips should be at or slightly above the level of your knees. So this ball fits me perfectly. Make sure that you get the right size ball for your height, or it will change how these exercises work for you. Start by kneeling behind the ball and then roll over the ball until your hands hit the floor. Now you're going to walk out until the ball hits your knees, and just pause there for a minute and make sure you've got good control, your pelvis is in a good position, your belly button's tight, your butt's squeezing, ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line. And then come on back, and if that was easy, then you can roll out to your shins, pause, double check that again you were able to maintain good alignment, ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line, belly's tight, squeezing the butt, and then back. And if that was easy, then go ahead and roll all the way out to your ankles. Now what you don't want to have happen is that your butt drops, or that your butt's up in the air, or you're losing and you're arching a bunch, you're losing that good position. Don't let your head drop, ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line, and then walk back. Now you might find that you're really wobbly on the ball, and I would say keep it short then, because if you're really shifting around on the ball and nearly falling off, you're actually creating a lot of shear through the discs in your low back, and we want every rep, every step of your hands to maintain good position and be pristine so that you can build good stability but not sacrifice your back in the process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for listening.